In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to like your Facebook page in the Meta Business Suite. If you want to grow your page audience, this is a simple feature that can make a real difference. Facebook gives you a built-in way to invite people who have already engaged with your content, and you can also invite your friends directly from your page. Since these people already know your content or your brand, they're often more likely to respond. First, open Meta Business Suite. Once you're inside, select the Facebook page you want to manage. This is important if you manage more than one page, because you'll want to make sure you're sending invites from the correct one. Next, go to your content or post section. From there, open a post that already has reactions on it, such as likes, loves, or other engagement. The reason this method works so well is that these users have already interacted with your post, which means they've shown some level of interest. Now click the reaction count on that post. This will open a list showing the people who reacted. As you look through that list, you may see an invite button next to people who have not liked your page yet. When that button appears, click invite. Facebook will then send them an invitation to like your page. This is one of the easiest ways to turn post engagement into page growth. A helpful tip here is to check your better performing posts regularly, since posts with more reactions usually give you more invitation opportunities. There's also a second method you can use if you want to invite friends to like your page. Start by opening your Facebook page. On the page, click the More button, shown as 3 dots, or click Invite Friends if that option is already visible. Then select Invite Friends. You'll be able to browse through your friends list and choose the people you want to invite. Once you've selected them, click Send Invites. That's it. Your invitations will be sent directly through Facebook. When using this method, it's a good idea to be selective and invite people who are actually likely to be interested in your page. That can help you build a more relevant audience over time. So to recap, you have 2 straightforward options: invite people who reacted to your posts through Meta Business Suite, or invite friends directly from your Facebook page. Both methods are quick, built into Facebook, and easy to repeat whenever you want to grow your audience.